Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, is it? Yeah, big up to all of my Dans and Danettes. You see what I say? Yeah, big up on the 7 people. Alright, so I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I'm going to read words from more than 2 news articles about certain things that happened. Yes, I say? Alright, so please bear in mind that I might not read word for word from these news articles to you, my viewers and subscribers, but hopefully, I hope you get the understandings from these things that I'm about to say when it comes on to certain situations that happened. Alright? Anyways, my people, so I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that the Jamaica Customs Agency, that's the JCA within the country of Jamaica, will be formally brought into the Get Every Illegal Gun campaign. Now, according to the same news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for a new Stony Hill police station in St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 24th of February the year 2022. Now, the news article said that the Prime Minister said, we are going to ensure that no illegal guns come through our legal ports. It is now time that we get tough on the internal collaborators and facilitators who are allowing illegal guns to come into our country. They get rich from it while the poor people in the country die from it. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, I don't mean no disrespect to no one. I don't mean no disrespect to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, nor any politicians. You see what I say? But if the Prime Minister now got a realization about this, then him late. See, because the amount of musicians me hear sing about illegal guns in the country of Jamaica and how illegal guns come within the country of Jamaica, and the amount of persons me hear made allegations and assumptions about illegal gun entering the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, that's why me now, I say, if him just realize these things, then him late. You understand, my people? Yeah, man. Some tougher measures need to take to make sure say no form of illegal weapons don't enter the country of Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, man. That's something look on life. You see? Yeah. Now, I read more than 1 news articles that gave me the understanding that law enforcers within the country of Jamaica had found and seized illegal guns at the Montego Bay port that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am going to read from 2 news articles so that you can get a better understanding about this whole thing where it is said that illegal guns have been found at the Montego Bay port within the country of Jamaica. Because, you know, I saw a news report and I read news articles about this whole situation, and in my point of view, those news articles and the news report that I saw, they do not sound exactly the same. So by reading from 2 news articles about this whole situation, you might get a better understanding about what happened. You understand? Anyways, now, according to this news article that I'm looking at right about now, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the news article said that 7 guns were found on Monday. That would be the 28th of February the year 2022 at the port in Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica during a police operation. According to the news article, I got the understanding that those guns that had been mentioned in the news article had been seized, you see me? And according to the news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that 3 M16 rifles and 4 pistols and 9 magazines were all seized by law enforcers within the country of Jamaica. And according to the same news article, it is said that the news article said, according to police sources, the weapons were disassembled and hidden in television sets. See? You see me I say? Now according to another news article that I read about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, the news article said that the police that's within the country of Jamaica have reportedly seized at least 4 weapons at Freeport Wharf in Montego Bay, St. James, that's within the country of Jamaica. And this news article had been published on the 28th of February, the year 2022. Yeah, and the other news article that I just read from, or read words from, had been published on the 28th of February, the year 2022 also. Alright, now according to this news article that I'm looking at right now, the news article said that the weapons, 1 disassembled M16 rifle, a submachine gun with silencer, and 2 handguns were found concealed in a television sets. Yes, sets, it's saying, of viewers and subscribers. I mean, the news article also said that 5 magazines have also been seized. You see? And according to both news articles, I got the understanding that law enforcers are doing their investigations when it comes on to the finding of those illegal weapons. You see me I say, yeah, so viewers and subscribers, I see the thing about it now, you see? Me, Dancehall Skilla, I think it is very important, or probably the most important thing, to make sure that no illegal guns enter the country of Jamaica. See? Because I think that if no illegal guns can enter the country of Jamaica, and if the police within the country of Jamaica get all illegal guns from off the street within the country of Jamaica, then that might put a big dent in crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. See? You can't tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, you know. Yeah, man. Anyways, may I move on to another topic. So I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that Vladimir Putin puts Russian nuclear forces on high alert. According to this news article that I'm looking at right about now, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the news article said that Russia's president, who goes by the name of Vladimir Putin, summoned the defense minister and the military chief of staff to a public meeting on Sunday, that would be the 27th of February, the year 2022, and ordered them to transfer the deterrence forces, and that is said to be a reference to nuclear weapons of the Russian army to a special mode of combat duty. You know, viewers and subscribers, a lot of people have been affected by this whole invasion of Ukraine by the Russian army, of viewers and subscribers, you understand? And I really and truly hope and I pray that this whole invasion of Ukraine by the Russian army will somehow stop. You understand me, people? I do not support no form of war. I do not support no form of violence. See me, we're talking about people's lives here, viewers and subscribers. The amount of people that have been and are being affected by some things that happened within Ukraine. It's really sad. You understand? It's really sad, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? So yes, so I'm just making know what go on when it comes on to this whole thing where it is said that Vladimir Putin puts Russian nuclear forces on high alert. You understand? So me I say, John know my people. And yeah, so me I go left it, you know. So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up, you see.